Okay, in this problem, we are being asked a conceptual question. What are the two common criteria used when performing soil classification using either the Unified Soil Classification System or the AASHTO classification system? So, if you are a geotechnical engineer or you work in the field, there's a chance you might simply be able to answer this concept question automatically. But for those of us who aren't, there's still a path that we can take forward here to solve for a conceptual problem's answer, even if we don't know the answer right away. So the first thing we're going to do here is go to the index. And what we can do is look for soil classification, the term itself. That's a keyword listed here in the problem. So if we search for soil classification, we can see that it is first found in section 3.7. And going forward from there, we can see that sections 3.7.2 and 3.7.3 show the USCS and AASHTO systems. Looking at the chart on page 116, we can look at the USCS system first. I guess USC system. So we can see on that table that grain size distribution is used. So this is immediately going to limit our answers to A or B. If we are to continue, we can also see that the table references Atterberg limits, those being the liquid limit and the plastic limit. So let's mark that down as well. Table also references Atterberg limits. So if you are very much out of time, you could take a guess already at this problem with the information you have here. That being said, we're going to continue. If we move on to the AASHTO table, we can see again that the grain size distribution is referenced in the sieve analysis section of the table. So again, grain size. And we can also see that the liquid limit and the plasticity index are referenced. So that pretty much sums up that our answer is going to be A for this problem. So again, sometimes even for a conceptual problem, there will be ways to utilize things like the reference manual or other context clues to either limit some guesses or even get all the way to what might be the correct answer. And that's all it takes to solve this particular problem.